Okay, go ahead and tell us about it, Sam. I don't know if you want to be in the picture or not. It's going to go on YouTube, if you don't mind.
I don't know.
Okay.
Anyway, I got my log deck. I put the logs on there and bring it up and it goes into a trough and then comes forward. And then up here, cut the length and you can see there's some of the wood there coming out. I just got a big knot in there and it broke one of the splitting wedges clean out of the machine.
Oh, wow.
So I've got to cut and re-weld that back in there.
Okay, yeah, I see where it's supposed to go on there.
Yeah, this is about the size my wood comes out.
Man. And I was happy with my little 22 ton. Now I see this setup, I'm like, I'm jealous. Now I got to lift the firewood up on everything.
Well, that's my push block in there.
Let's see here. We get the look at the size of the chunk of wood he can push with that.
It's not running full speed.
Okay. You've got to move stuff out of the conveyor here. Don't want to damage the tools. Yeah, that makes it nice.
I come up with a crooked log. I can, that won't go through. I take my chainsaw and like this is real crooked. I could cut it off so square with a hydraulic chainsaw.
Oh, wow.
And there's one button I push up there that sends the hydraulics here, otherwise it runs the conveyor.
Uh-huh.
So that works pretty good.
Cool. I'd never heard of a hydraulic chainsaw or hand chainsaw, you know, I mean, that's...
Well, they use them in bucket trucks. They leaves up Iowa in the bucket trucks. They got hydraulic saws on them.
Oh, wow, I didn't know
And
that.
I found out about it, so I went and I got I got this one and I put this one in here.
Uh-huh.
So, trouble is, I got this second hand and had to rebuild it. And they made the mistake of putting everything on the left-hand side of the running gear. So that makes you 10 foot wide. When you fold it up, you're still 10 foot wide. So you got to get a permit to move it.
Oh, man.
So I just park it here and bring the wood to it.
Uh-huh.
And it makes it a lot better. Watch your step with grain this stuff.
Oh, yeah. That with a little bit of oil in the water. And
Yeah.
man, that is a heck of a setup.
Well, I get that done, I'll have almost a cord on the truck.
Uh-huh.
I may have to put a few more logs up. That'll be pretty close. And, some of these guys are charging $180. They're charging $160 a cord for wood and holly, and you load it and you haul it. I'm delivering it for $165
Man.
because the old folks can't afford it.
Yeah.
You know, I still make some money on it, but I don't need to rip nobody off.
Nope.
No. Well, then I got my excavator. I took the bucket off and made a grappler and put on it.